Hi, welcome to codeSpace video. In this tutorial, we will see how to access an S3 bucket using nodejs application. So we'll go and create a S3 bucket using AWS SDK, and we will try to retrieve that value and put a file and delete the same bucket using nodejs application. So for this, we required AWS SDK installed in our nodejs project. So in order to install AWS SDK, you just need to give npm install AWS SDK. Since it is already installed, so it will not take so much of time. After it get installed, you can see in the node modules that AWS SDK is installed. So we just need to import it, and we just need to initialize the S3. So after the S3, we just need to pass in the param the bucket name. The bucket name should always be unique, or else it will throw an error. So we just go and run this file. So you can see that it's successfully created, and go and check the UI console. We can see that gpol1710 has been created, but the bucket is empty. So we'll go and put a file in this bucket. So in order to upload a file, we required fs and AWS SDK, and we need to initialize the S3 with the bucket name. So fs will read the file, read this temp file. So in temp file we have content hello world, and we'll pass the data as a body in param of that S3. So this param will contain the key of that name. That name will be saved as mytemp.txt in S3 folder. So go and run this. So you can see that it successfully uploaded the data, and go and check the bucket. You can see that mytemp.txt has been uploaded. Now we'll try to read this. So in order to read this, we just need AWS SDK, and the bucket name and the key name is the file name, which is get stored in the S3 bucket. We need to pass it in params, and we just need to give s3.getObject. So we just run it again. You can see that data.body.toString is the hello world which got printed. So now we'll go and remove this file. So in order to remove this file, we require same like AWS SDK, and in params we just need to pass the bucket and the key, which is the file name. So you can see that it's successfully deleted. We'll go and check the UI console. In the UI console, you can see that the bucket is again empty. Now we'll go and delete this bucket itself. So in order to delete the bucket, we just need to pass in the parent the bucket name. The bucket should be empty. So we just need to give s3.delete bucket. Now we can see that it got successfully deleted. We'll go and check the UI console. We can see that bucket doesn't exist. That's all for this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video.